Coming up in our cozy lifestyle chat from Copenhagen today, guess what's coming soon? Your cleaning reminders for this week for the Flylady system. And my morning cold plunge routine has taken on a whole new level of hygge. Diane and Denmark here, rah, 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 and welcome back to another cozy chat across the kitchen table here in Copenhagen. Do not adjust your sets, it is dark. It's very dark here now. And if you watch my videos all year round, you will know that in the summer we have these long summer evenings where it's light until almost midnight. And now in the afternoon by 4 o'clock, it's pitch black, really dark, can't see anything. But anyway, we've got all the candles going. We've got the fairy lights set in the garden, so we're keeping the hygge going. Anyway, let's get into our hygge chat for today, starting up with our gotta-dos. Gotta get the gotta-dos done before the wanna-dos. And we're talking about the Flylady cleaning. This is my little cleaning caddy. Remember, what you do every week is just you start with the basics. You're going to do your basic weekly upkeep clean, not the whole house, just the high traffic areas. 10 minutes on each task. You know the routine by now. Set that timer for even 5 minutes. Even 5 minutes is going to make a big difference. You do 5 minutes on each of the tasks or 10 minutes on each of the tasks. And then the rest of the week, let me just switch that off, it's very noisy. Then the rest of the week, you spend a few minutes when you can in the zone. And I've got a little video coming for you with this week's Flylady missions for the zone. And where are we this week? We are in zone 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're in Flylady zone 4, the master bedroom. And I want you to really take some time this week, just a few minutes here and there to really make that place clean and cozy, okay? Because that is going to be your haven for when everything goes a little bit crazy when we get into the real run up to Christmas. And talking of Christmas, I was down in the basement going through Christmas decorations. I've done a little declutter of those. Hopefully you have been following along with us doing the hygge Christmas planning. If you get my newsletter, you will know that we started in October, mid-October, and we have been buying non-perishable stuff every time we're at the supermarket. We have been cleaning, we've been looking at our budget, we've been ordering gifts or making gifts. Final week of the Christmas planning, and if you don't worry if you feel like you missed the boat. There will be super cruising missions in December, and I'll do a video with all of those. But anyway, just to get back to the kind of regular Christmas stuff, I found my Christmas sweater. Please, you don't need to go buying a new sweater for Christmas every year. I mean, how often do you use it? This is one that actually got a swap party, I think 3 or 4 years ago. And I'm going to jazz it up this year, and I'm going to add, just like in my Christmas graphics, you know, everything that I do here on Instagram or Facebook, YouTube, the graphics, everything I put out, I do it all myself. There's no team behind me, there's no video editor, there's no family helping with newsletters, it's just me. But I love doing my little fun graphics, and I have Christmas graphics at the moment with a little reindeer with a pearl on it, because yeah, you might have guessed, I like the pearls. And I thought this year I'm going to jazz up my sweater. Where are they? Oh. My friend Vibeke, because I was saying to her that I like to kind of jazz things up by, you know, maybe adding some pearls, and she has a sweater and it had these huge pearls on the back. And she said it was so comfy when she was kind of, you know, leaning in her chair. So she took them off and she said, do you want them? And I was like, yeah, of course I want them. So she's given me all these pearls that she found that I can sew onto, you know, sweaters and things. So I'm thinking, let's see. I'm not sure if I'll go for this huge one, but there we are. And I think I'm going to give Rudolph a nice pearl on his nose. Maybe that one, maybe that's a better size. Anyway, so next time you see the sweater, Rudolph will have a wee pearl on his nose. And also, when I was looking through my Christmas stuff, yes, the Christmas candles will be coming back, the countdown candles. As I said to you, I'm doing a Scandinavian Christmas series this year. I haven't planned it in advance, it's just going to be how we have Christmas here in Copenhagen. I'll probably be over in Sweden as well. You see all the Scandinavian stuff. And I just want to show you not the kind of airbrushed Christmas of things, but just how we have Scandinavian Christmas, including a lot of candles. And I know a lot of you made your own candle jars the last couple of years. I used to buy the candles with the numbers on them, but then we decided, oh, you know, I could get the kids just to write on the numbers with a Sharpie and use the candles that we had. So anyway, you will see a lot more candles coming. And I wanted to give you a wee update. Remember last week I was telling you about the crocheted Princess Leia doll that I bought at a craft market? Well, Cassandra, the lady from my international ladies group, she is just the most beautiful crocheter, and she actually has a YouTube channel and a blog, and it's called Craftably Ever After. I will put the links down below and you can go and see what else she makes, and she's got a whole ton of fun stuff, so go and check out Cassandra. Oh, and just a little fun thing for you. Can you guess what this is? This is going to be part of my Scandinavian Christmas this year. If you know, you know. Answers on a postcard, please. And I'm really looking forward to sharing this with you from December. Anyway, you can have a wee think on that. Why do I have this? And what is it? What is it? Right. And then let's keep it going with all the hygge things. I have got a new level of hygge in my she shack, in the garden shed. I'm calling it my she shack. That's where I have my morning plunge pool routine, my cold plunge. I do it every single day. I was actually, when I got my plunge pool, I was thinking I would just do it on the days that I'm not in the sea. You know, I'm in sea swimming several times a week with my Blue Tits Chill Swimmers group, and also with friends. I'm also training for another several ice swimming competitions. But I'm just enjoying doing it every single day. And my friend Polly gifted me a candle, Scandinavisk candle. And you know, out there, I take my little USB lamp. I showed that to you in a previous video, so you've got all the details about that. And it's just an extra level of hygge. I light the candle. I'm sitting there in my plunge pool for a couple of minutes. It was really funny the other morning because it's super cold here now. We're now below freezing during the night, and I could see the steam coming off my breath. So it's really cold out there. And every morning when I go out to the garden shed, my husband looks at me and he's saying, oh, he just can't imagine doing that, or how cold it is, or he doesn't want to imagine how cold it is. And I'm the same, but then when I come back in the house, I'm like, whoa, in a completely different mood and ready to get on with the day. Anyway, I hope you are ready to get on with your day. Hope I've given you a little bit of inspiration today. Look out for the video, which will tell you this week's 5 Flylady missions to keep your bedroom nice, cozy and clean. And I've added in a wee bit of hygge. Remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already done that. Newsletter is going out daily. Hope you will follow along with our Christmas hygge planning. And I'm going to get back to work. Hope you have a fantastic week. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish cozy minimalist lifestyle hygge be with you. And I'll see you very soon with where are they? Wrap. Okay, bye for now.